Hi, my name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services. I've been in the finance and the business world for well over 20 years. You ask an excellent question: how to find annuity providers. With the advent of the internet, that's the easiest thing in the world. Perhaps before you go searching, the question should be, what is it that I want my money to do, and when do I want it back? Once you understand that, it's fairly easy to shop around. There are many places you can find annuity providers. You can ask a company, for instance, like mine. Most advisors out there have many companies at their disposal. Within each one of these companies are many products that are designed to do and perform differently. So again, the key question is, what are you looking to do with your money? What is your risk tolerance? And more importantly, when do you want your money back? After that, companies like mine, banks, financial institutes, insurance companies have all the products you want. My name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services, and as always, we're here to help you build true wealth.